Okay, I have a really strange method when it comes to writing poems. I usually have to find a quiet spot in the house or outside like I am, sit down and contemplate for a moment or two. And I apologize for the rooster. My neighbors have roosters and they're kind of crowing. I don't know why it's so late in the afternoon, but anyway. Major shouts out to you though, if you're a fan of lo-fi like I am. That music is just dope on so many levels. Yeah, that rooster keeps crowing. It's going to crow throughout the video, so I do apologize. As I would listen to the lo-fi instrumental, I began listening to the rhythm of the beat and seeing if I could put a story to it. For example, if I was listening to coffee lo-fi, I'd write a coffee shop poem. If I was listening to lazy lo-fi or music about sleeping, I would describe my definition of a lazy day poem. I apologize for putting my hat down this low, ladies and gentlemen. It's just the sun is beaming on me directly, but there's just so many ways I can articulate and create a story just from a song that I listen to. And it's a quirky part of my process, but it's what helps me formulate the poems I write in my day-to-day. But on some real though, nothing beats that quiet room, that quiet environment. Man, whether you have a house or an apartment, sitting in that quiet room, just creating poetry, it's on a whole nother vibe. It's like when you spring cleaner, right? And you open your windows and you're blasting your favorite jams. That feeling right there is on a whole nother level. Now, the next thing is I try to put together a synopsis, a basic layout of what the poetry piece entails without going into full detail, and end up spoiling the entire poem. Because if you give away too much of your poem, if you give away too much of the story, then the viewer won't bother reading through it at all. It would be absolutely frustrating as a poet because all that effort and energy that you may have put into that poem was absolutely for nothing. And there it is. That's my quirky yet relaxing process to how I write poems. Hey yo, major shouts out again to DJI for this camera. It's definitely a vibe for real. And major shouts out to all y'all for the love and support. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Check out the next video that YouTube is recommending. I love you guys and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.